So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So this is when you have incorporated a ton of air into it. And so it kind of almost forms peaks like in a whipped cream. I mean, there is a little bit of cream in there, you know. So it does kind of look like whipped cream, kind of like how you'd want a souffle, maybe light and airy. You would want to keep these bubbles in it, meringue, a light whipped cream, or what's it called? It's an Italian dessert. Is that Ganbayu or something? I don't know. Anyways, where you take a custard like this and then cook it down with wine. Zabayon, that's what it's called. Yeah, I'm not Italian, okay? I'm half Puerto Rican. So anyways, yeah, I'm just like trying to get a little bit of, I know, I work so hard to get those air bubbles up, but I don't want it to be that air bubbly to put into these ramekins because all of that has to fit into those, you see? So yeah. See all the air bubbles popping?